Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get your Costco membership card online. So first of all, you can either download the latest Costco application on your iPhone or on your Android device, and then you can just simply open it. Now, when you are inside, you are going to see the home page first. Then you just have to simply tap on the option of My Costco or the card icon here in the bottom. Then you need to sign in into your existing Costco.com account. If you haven't created your account yet, you can create one using the email address which is connected to your Costco membership. Now you need to also verify your membership when it is prompted. You will need your membership number, the name, the zip code, and Costco may also ask you to answer a few verification questions. So once your membership is verified successfully, you are going to see this type of digital membership card. So you can use it at Costco, at entrances, checkout, returns, pharmacy, optical, tire center, and the gas station. So if you are the household member on someone else's membership, you can create your own Costco.com account using your individual membership number in order to access your own digital card. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.